This setup procedure is for a hubless disc brake rotor, and we're going to show you how to install the rotor on the arbor of the disc brake lathe. First of all, no hub. We have to look for the machined area on the inside and remove any rust or nicks or whatever that are in there on the surface, so we can select a clamp that will fit in the majority of the machined area. You can see this particular clamp's close to the outside but still on the machined area. That's our inside clamp. Next, we have to select a centering cone, shallow cone, that will not go through the hole but be in the middle of the cone itself for centering. Finally, we select an outside clamp, which isn't as critical, but it should pretty well match the inside cone as best as possible. The inside clamp goes on the arbor first, then the spring, then the cone, the rotor with the inside toward the machine, the outside clamp, spacers, secure it with the arbor nut, and tighten. Thank you very much.